Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of Stumble Guys. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about Stumble Guys and you will click here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.